guys, I'm here to tell you, I'm going to own my own gas station.
What?
Yeah.
Am I coming in with you on this one?
Well, I might have to confer with Wade because he actually used to work for a gas station, right?
Yeah.
I kid you not, Frank. I'm going to actually purchase a rundown gas station.
Wait, time out. Do I have a choice in geography?
Do you have a choice? Well, let me tell you this.
Can we get something nice by Malibu?
Well, actually, you went. I was zigging and you zagged because I was thinking that you wanted locations so I wouldn't leave the garage, and I'm not leaving the garage.
All right.
But I'm also not going to Malibu.
Oh.
And
you're going to buy a gas station.
It's going to be in the desert. Okay.
Oh.
And I got a lot of work to do, Frank.
All right.
I'm still going to do the show. I'm still going to
and you're going to
work at the garage.
Dealing with tanker drivers.
But I gotta take this rundown gas station and I gotta work on it. I gotta renovate it. I gotta.
Well, what kind of plans do you have, Mrs.
What kind
Susie?
of gas? What kind of snacks? I'm definitely gonna have Coker tires.
Ah.
As an inventory.
All
and
right.
There's lots of renovations.
What name would you give your gas station, Susie Sockets? I mean, a name is really critical, I believe.
That's right. Do you believe me at all, Frank?
You are a very special lady, and I believe everything you say. So tell me, are you really interested?
Heck no, Frank.
All right. That's a big headache, isn't it?
Heck no, Frank. But I'll tell you what. You can actually own your own gas station through a simulator. You can download it on Steam.
Wait a minute now.
I kid you not.
Now, is this up there with all the video games? What happened just like Pac-Man? I just want to play Pac-Man.
It's on your PC, and
right.
it's just an opportunity to own a gas station, and literally you're going to be able to hone in on your business skills on this bad boy.
All right. Now, I have to say something about the gas station. If we went back to the 70s and 80s, if you owned a gas station, you had to deal with some dirty people.
The mob goes where the money is.
Do you remember back in the day?
Yes.
It was in New York where they had the big scandal.
For more than a year
tax.
now, FBI agents and police in states along the Atlantic coast have been following the movement of hundreds of millions of gallons of gasoline by companies said to be controlled by the mafia.
Gas tax.
Yes.
Mafioso were taking the gas tax. There was a big problem. Is there a chapter about how to do clean business in the gas station?
It doesn't. But
I like that idea.
Isn't that kind of fun?
My daughter would love that.
I think it's so cute. So then it prompted me to look at other simulators, other places. You can do like a food truck simulator. You can do a gas station simulator. It just seems like so much fun.
Well, I know this, which is really cool. We had some fun with the idea that, of course, Bosch and the Europeans, they're just way ahead in this category where we are going to have sort of simulated repairs. Now, imagine this. You have a set of goggles on, and remotely there's an engineer who's pointing out to you.
Yeah, that's crazy.
The various things that I can, and that's happening. I know in Deutschland and in Bosch is a big leader in that category. But, of course, we made fun of that because we basically said it was going to be like, Alexa, tell me how to fix my car.
That's right.
And Alexa would just tell you, okay, replace the O2 sensor, you
That's
schmuck.
right.
But no,